I am completely obsessed with these mini twists. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed these beautiful mini twists in the color 99J. I have been waiting to do mini twists with this color for some time now. So I'm so excited for this collaboration with BLL Hair. Put the name up above and I will put the link to this hair in the description box. With no further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so let me give you a 360 of this hair. This is 18 inches. I only use one piece for each twist. I didn't add any additional pieces at the bottom. And it comes about waist length on me, and I am 5'7". So I love how full the twists look. I absolutely love this color. It's giving fall vibes, but you can definitely rock her in the summer. So they sent me 4 packs in the color 99J, and this is in 18 inches. I'm so excited to try this color because this is the only color that I have not tried yet. So this is what the 99J looks like. Super vibrant. I am so excited about doing this video. I can't wait. So it is 18 inches. I absolutely love doing mini twists with this bulk human hair. It's very easy to separate. Just take a section, and I'm going to be working in small to medium sections. So I think I'm going to be working with pieces about this size. So this is the insert that came with the hair. The hair does come in a variety of lengths and colors, which I will put on the screens. I'll also leave the link to this hair in the description box so that you can check it out. With no further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I start out by going in with some edge control. I'm using this one from TGIN. So I go in with edge control on the root just to make it smooth, and then I just twist it. And then on the length of my hair, I'm going in with my Watch and See Beauty twisting souffle. And I just add that to the end of my hair. I also use that souffle as I am twisting the hair in. And this is the size of the hair that I'm using. Stretch it out a bit. And then again, I start with the braid. Then I braid down about 8 times. And then I split my hair in half and start twisting. Now that my hair is back in the middle, split it in half. And I get a little bit more of that twisting souffle. And then I just start twisting. So I twist the hair, and then twist the hair, twist the hair, then twist around each other, twist the hair, twist around each other, and I just do that same step all the way to the end. Then once we get to the end, just coil it around my finger, and that's it. Simple, easy. You can definitely do this on yourself. You can also put your hair in small ponytails with the rubber bands and then crochet this hair underneath here. And you can do that same, start with the braid, or either you can just go right in with a twist. You also can start at the root with a twist. My foundation with the twist is not as good as with the braid, so I always start with the braid because it just secures it in place better. You see that little piece of my hair? I'll just put some edge control on that to conceal that into the twist. Yeah, we're just twisting all of the way down, and then we'll just coil the end. And there you have it. So do the same thing to this side. So if you've gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? There is no charge, no cost to you. Just click the button. Also turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And thanks for watching. Okay, so now all of the twists are done. So I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle and just wet the twist all the way down to the end. Do that on both sides. And then I'm going to go in with my mousse. And I'm going to be very generous with the mousse. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this color in the comment section below. I am not new to mini twists. I've done several mini twist videos, but this is my first time doing this 99J color, and I absolutely love it. There are so many different styles that you can do with mini twists, but mini twists are a great go-to style for the winter, spring, summer, fall. They're just perfect. Like, I absolutely love mini twists, and with this bulk human hair, it just gives natural. Again, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.